Monday runs the pipeline. Tuesday is publish day. That weekly rhythm is what actually works. Weekly video marketing only works when production, review, and social sit with different people, not one overloaded marketer doing everything. This is a real automation pipeline, not a content calendar you ignore. When IT and marketing share one machine, you get 2 in the morning page alerts and a blame game. Split the work. Production server runs Monday cron. Staging laptop handles deploys. Marketer workstation owns publish. The machines are split, but someone still has to own Tuesday review. When marketing and production share one box, this is what overload looks like. One machine runs every automation, and nobody owns Tuesday review. Split the roles. Production server on Monday. Marketer workstation reviews and publishes on Tuesday. Once marketing is split out, YouTube goes live, but LinkedIn still needs a handoff. Your promo kit lands in a cloud folder. LinkedIn should be a paste, not a rebuild. LinkedIn gets skipped because there's no handoff after YouTube goes public. Sync the promo kit to cloud on Tuesday. Wednesday, paste the LinkedIn post from your ready-to-post folder. Quick recap. Split production onto its own machine. Marketing owns Tuesday review and publish. Wednesday, paste LinkedIn straight from the promo kit. Free guides are in the description.